Hi, my name is Andrew Masters and I'm an analyst at FIBO Group. In this video, we'll talk about psychology as a very important trading component. A lot can be said about the psychology. One thing is clear, namely just as it's a guarantee of successful trade. Emotional stress, hurry, panic, making decisions in a hurry. All this leads to the collapse, even the trading system that is initially the most successful one. Perfect plan may defeat due to human factor. Successful application of psychology helps to keep control of one's own emotions in order to reach the maximal result. Such factors as fear, anxiety, emotional stress, and the attempt to plan the receivables may be the reasons of unsuccessful trading system. The following 6 deadly sins are the main problems of all traders. Loss invites aggression and desire to recover one's losses, and this leads to loss. Profit earning leads to euphoria, losing one's temper and consequently to the loss. Close-mindedness is able to destroy even the most perfect trading system. Lack of discipline, even in life or in trading, inevitably invites failure. Lack of ability to analyse our own mistakes makes us fall into the same trap twice. Lack of professional growth puts an end to our development and we repeat the same mistakes. You can learn more details about the psychological aspects of trading by taking the courses of our online academy or independently.